If you're considering ordering medications online, Hims and Hers Pharmacy might seem convenient, but is it reliable, affordable, and safe? I tried it myself, and here's my honest review. Hims and Hers is a telehealth and pharmacy service that offers prescriptions for common conditions like hair loss, sexual health, skin care, and mental wellness. The process starts online. You fill out a short medical questionnaire, which is reviewed by a licensed healthcare provider. If approved, the prescription is sent directly to their pharmacy, and medications are shipped discreetly to your door. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. There's no need for in-person visits, and shipping is fast, usually within a few days. The platform also has subscription options, so you can schedule regular refills without worrying about running out. Pricing is competitive, but varies depending on the product. Generic versions are affordable, but branded products can be more expensive than local pharmacies. Insurance coverage is limited, so it's worth checking before relying on Hims and Hers for long-term prescriptions. Most people get this wrong by assuming online pharmacies are unregulated. Hims and Hers is legitimate and operates under U.S. pharmacy regulations. Your personal information is protected, and prescriptions are issued by licensed providers. The downside? Not all conditions are covered, and the platform isn't a replacement for a full doctor visit if you have complex health issues. Also, some users report delays if the medical questionnaire requires additional review. In conclusion, Hims and Hers Pharmacy is a convenient and reliable option for certain prescriptions, especially for those who prefer telehealth and home delivery. It's safe, professional, and discreet, but not a substitute for comprehensive medical care. Subscribe for more honest pharmacy reviews, health tips, and online telehealth guidance to make informed decisions about your healthcare.